In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find USAA mobile branches and ATMs near you, step by step. Whether you're new to USAA or just need a little guidance on how to locate these essential services when you're out and about, this guide will make it simple and straightforward for you. Finding an ATM or branch should be a breeze after watching this. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by visiting the USAA official website. The USAA offers a wide range of services including insurance, banking, retirement, and investment services, and being familiar with their website is quite advantageous. Open your preferred internet browser and type in the URL for the USAA homepage, which is USAA.com. This is your starting point for accessing various financial services and information offered by USAA. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to locate the Find ATM option. USAA aims to make banking as convenient as possible, and the Find ATM functionality is designed to help you quickly locate the nearest ATMs and branches, which is particularly useful if you're in a new area or traveling. Look for this feature on the homepage or in the menu options available on the site. It might be prominently displayed, so take a moment to explore and familiarize yourself with the layout of the homepage. Now, after you click on Find ATM, you'll be directed to a page where you can enter your search details. This is where you can refine your search by entering the city, state, or zip code of the area you're in, or even a nearby landmark if that's more convenient for you. The system is set up to accommodate different search preferences and accurately locate ATMs or branches closest to your specified location. Entering precise terms will help yield the most accurate results. After entering your location details, select the Location Service option to prompt the website to find the USAA mobile branches and ATMs near you. This feature utilizes sophisticated mapping technology to provide you with a detailed list and map of available ATMs and branches within proximity. It's a handy way to ensure that you can access USAA services wherever you are. Remember, being prepared and knowing how to quickly find these resources is crucial, especially when you find yourself needing cash or need to visit a branch while on the go. This simple process is all it takes to find USAA mobile branches and ATMs near you. With just a few clicks, you can locate the financial services you need wherever you may be. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, feel free to check out other guides and resources that we have available.